Sure everything's good? It is a Dodge, you know. How's this weather, eh? What's your problem? I'm not videotaping you, man. I'm just having a cigarette. Need your brakes did too, eh?
No.
No, you sure?
Yeah.
Did you do them?
Pretty good.
Did you check them?
No.
Did you do a thorough inspection of your calipers?
Nope.
You just assume that they're alright because it's a Dodge, right?
That's right.
Yeah, every fucking Mopar guy says that. But you're just the angry Mopar guy.
Let's see if you can find me a scraping device.
A scraping device. Like a putty knife? I wear like a 10-inch skin blade. Will that work out for you? Doubtful. You can do both sides at the same time. Think about it. You cut your work time in half. And we get to drinking beer and Pilsner, eh? You hoser?
Please?
Did you get that furnace working on our igloo yet? Yeah, you were just a fucking asshole, you know that? I've done all the work for you so far. Look at this fucking shop. This fucking mess. What do we got going on here? We got a putty knife anywhere? I thought I saw one. How about a magnifying glass? Oh, fuck off. Oh, I found a putty knife. 6 inches. Rusty, though. Fucking guy. Oh, it's fine. A little bit of rust never hurt a transmission filter. Let me tell you. Make the 4-wheel drive sensor work on this? You check your transfer case? Yeah, front diff? Lots of gear oil in her? What, you got Dana 60s in this? Rockwell's. Must be Rockwell's, eh? I think that's the first time I ever heard Angry Mopar guy laugh. What size are these tires? What are they, 44s? 39s? 99s? That's a new fucking tire. It must be a Mopar thing, eh? Yeah. Fuck. Mopar guys get all luck, eh? Let's just have a gander. Let me just have a gander. This is my workplace here. I got my fucking chair and my ass ready because I'm doing a whole bunch of work. Fuck it. Let's just have a fucking look.
I hope you drop your fucking phone in the tranny pan.
I hope you... I'm not even close to your tranny pan. Oil pan?
Drain pan.
Oh! Oh, I thought these Mopar guys were pretty fucking specific on their words. Right?
Stab you in the throat.
Let's go ahead. You got no entertainment, you fucking asshole. I hope you drop your elbow in there.
It's been close a couple times.
What are you doing now there, Richard?
Cleaning the whole gasket off.
All right, on. Let me get some fucking close-up of your face here. Fuck, I wish I would have brought a jacket so I can lay down. Cocksucker. I'm gonna use that fucking skid plate. Look at that! Like a glove. Whoa! I almost took a fucking header. Hey, lad.
Fuck off.
How you doing? You gonna blow your filter off? No?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh fuck yeah! That's the face of...
I'll spit on the fucking thing.
I got daughter bugs, okay.
You will when I fucking miss and hit you in the face.
Yeah, then I'll fucking teabag you till your nose breaks. Think about it. It's a lose-lose there, lad. It's not a proper way to clean. What's going on there? Oh! You fucking asshole. Looks pretty shitty to me. You alright?
Get the fuck out of here.
You want a hug or something? How many of my viewers will fly down here and give me a hug? Hey?
What?
We're live. We're live on the air. With the angry Mopar guy. You know it's easier to clean it when you fire your motor up?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and drop it in drive too.
Oh.
He just like cleans out all the valleys and everything. That's something you Dodge guys don't know about.
Okay, get out of here.
I'm not even near you. Don't be that guy. Anything else to say?
Fuck off!
Holy fuck, here we go.